welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing for you some brown stew, fish fillet and brown rice. I hope you are staying safe with your family. Let's stay home and fatten this girl. We can do it. So stick around as I take you back to the kitchen for the preparation of the meal. See you then. My rainforest fish fillet. I'm gonna be washing it off now with some vinegar and then get ready to season it. Okay. Fish fillet. Some come back clean. So I'm gonna get ready to season this up. Yes. Add some black pepper. Some meat seasoning. Don't have any fish seasoning today, so I'm gonna just use what I have. Some Maggi. Maggi seasoning. All purpose. And this is the meat seasoning. Right. We're gonna get some garlic to be added. I am now combining the seasonings to ensure that the fish is well seasoned. As you can see, it's important that the fish is well seasoned so that when you're having it, it is tasty. Have some sweet pepper, hot pepper, onion and garlic cut up, so I'm gonna be adding this now to the fish. I'm gonna leave this for 30 minutes to marinate before cooking it. Ready guys to brown my fish. Oh, this smells so good. Yeah, I'm gonna heat up the pot now. I've added some vegetable oil to the pot, so I'm gonna allow it to heat up some more before adding the fish. Okay, ready and waiting. This is on the top now, it's frying. It's getting brown now, ready to turn. So I'm gonna be turning it on the other side. The others are not ready yet, so I'll allow them to brown properly. The rest is finished brown. Fish now all brown, so I'm gonna be making the sauce.
in this pot to add the other pot now to get ready with the sauce. Okay. Small amount of oil. So I'm gonna be adding the seasoning that I use to season the fish in this oil. Okay. I'm gonna be adding some tomatoes. Tomato. So allow it to saute before adding some hot water, just a bit of water to it. Hot water and adding. I'm gonna cover this and allow the seasoning to cook a bit before adding my carrot and okra. So I'm gonna cover this. I'm gonna allow this to simmer for about 5 minutes. Okay. Added my carrots and okra. So I'm gonna allow it to cook some more. I'm gonna add a little more salt and a little more Maggi seasoning. So beautiful. I've added a little butter and I'm gonna still allow it to cook some more. Okay. I'm gonna allow this to simmer for about 5 minutes. Okay. I'll be adding my fish now at this time. Easy to cook and it's easy to get smushy, so we don't want that to happen. So in short order, fish will be ready. I'm gonna turn on this a little bit and let it cook with the sauce some more. This is now ready, almost there. Fish is gone. Big rice, brown stew, fish fillet, already. Look at it. Yeah, smells so good. Already. stew fish. And you know brown rice is harder to cook, so it needs more water. Okay. Of rice to 3 cups of water, and I'm going to allow this to steam. Okay. You can also allow the rice to soak overnight so that it doesn't take that long to cook. Here you go, guys. Dinner is now served. Brown stew fish fillet, mashed potato, brown rice, and some vegetable. Easy method of cooking. So remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave a comment below what you think of this delicious meal. Thank you. Happy cooking. Bye. See you in the next video.